So for April's premiere pack release, I decided to switch things up and rhinestone a smaller project. I found this clear iPhone case on Amazon, taped off the edges I didn't want to stone, and then prepped it with Dixie Belle Bonding Boss in white. I didn't get a chance to film an unboxing for April's pack, but it included this gorgeous rainbow mix called Luminescent LaLa, along with the coordinating colors Northern Lights and Opal Luminous White. I wanted a design to feel very summer inspired, so I went with this melting ice cream drip design using Cricut stencil vinyl. After weighting the stencil, I colored in the sections I wanted to stand out and kept most of it white to make the process a little easier and cleaner. For the outline of the ice cream, I used neon white SS6 rhinestones. Looking back, I probably would have used black instead because the white didn't stand out as much as I wanted against the background. Then I filled in the pink sections using Luminescent LaLa. You'll notice later in the video that I also use the same mix in some of the white areas. Sometimes your background color can completely change how your rhinestones look once everything comes together. For the background of the case, I used Northern Lights and also blended an ombre using Opal Luminous White and Luminous LaLa. For the outlines, I finally pulled out some metallic Rose SS6s that I've had sitting in my stash forever. And honestly, I'm glad I did because I really like that extra pop it added. For the cone, I outlined it with smoked Topaz SS6 stones and filled the inside using Opal Luminous White. Once everything was finished, I removed the tape and cleaned up the extra paint using acetone, and here's the final result. I love projects like this because they show how you can take something so simple like a clear phone case and turn it into something fun and completely custom. Make sure you use my discount code Tiana10 to save at Diamond Fire Rhinestones and get ready for the next premiere pack release that drops on the 1st of every month. If you recreate something like this, tag me on social media at Tiana Chanell Creates. Thank you so much for watching.